how to make a paper airplane that actually flies really far. This is the world record design for most distance on a paper airplane. Here's how you make it. Step 1, fold the corner all the way down until it meets the edge. Step 2, do the same thing with the other corner. When you're done, you'll get an X-like shape like this. Step 3, you're going to fold a corner down again, back towards that middle line, that X that you created, so that the edge is exactly in the line of the crease. Step 4, you're going to do the exact same thing with the other corner. When you're done, it will look like this. That one will be in this crease. This side will be in that crease. Step 5, you're going to fold the tip over like this so that the creases match up. This is step 5 from a different view. If you can see, this pre-folded crease needs to match up as close as you can with this edge right here. And you'll see why in step 6. Step 6, we're going to fold over along this line, and that's why it was important that that crease match up here. Step 7, we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. We're going to fold it over so that that matches with the crease all the way down here. Step 8, now that you've folded these down, you're going to fold this tail here and fold it up over the two what are going to be the two wings. That'll kind of lock it into place. Step 9, you're going to fold it exactly down the center to create two symmetrical halves. This is step 9 from a different angle still. So fold it in half, fold it in half, and then we'll finish it off here. Step 10, you're going to fold the wings over so that you have a straight line and that this part right here is equal to this bottom corner. Step 11, you're going to do exactly the same thing to the other side, making sure that your wing heights are equal. Step 12 is to make final adjustments. Typically the two final adjustments are to take the wings and kind of pinch them so they're going up a little bit. And then often you'll need to take the back tips, and kind of roll them so they're a little bit up. And then your paper airplane is ready to fly.